close in your two teams because we're about to give a chance for each team to win a prize. Let me explain how this works. What's going to happen is we're going to do a little passing game, and you, after 63 years, are probably going to do something you've never done in your life before, because this spoon is going to go inside your nice little blouse and it's going to drop outside of your blouse. This man will then grab the spoon and it's going to go inside these shorts, and quickly it will drop out the bottom. Is this an all-in-one? Oh, thank you, ma'am, very much. Seen one, you've seen them both. It's going to go in here, and who's a lucky spoon then? Yes. Off you go on a little trip to Holland, yes. And all those rumours about Holland being a flat country are not true. It's going to go inside the dress and out the bottom there. Starting over here with Dick. Dick, it's going to go in the pants, nothing to stop it, and all the way to the back. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Children in the room, stop it! Sorry, Mum and Dad, I'm sorry. Darling, it's going to go inside that nice little blouse, and because John's not here, you enjoy that. And inside the pants, very, very quickly to the bottom there. Now, this is a team game. It involves, first of all, for the men, loose clothing. So loosen up you've got plenty of room in there. There's a bit of room in there. Steady in there, yes. Now, also, you need help. So if the person standing next to you gets the spoon stuck, you must reach up inside their clothing, find it, pull it out. So if he gets it stuck in there, what are you going to do?
I'm going to leave it there.
You're going to leave it. You're going to help her? You're going to help the ladies, right? You've got to help, and you've got to help Dick, okay? This man needs your help. If he gets...
my Long Island iced tea.
Would you like a sip before we start? Sir, can you bring her a Long Island iced tea up here, please? Here, come to the top of the stairs, darling, because we're not allowed to have glass on here because the dancers have to... There we go, there we are. Have a sip. Oh. Are you okay with that?
The whole thing down.
Just, you alright with that? You okay? Anything else? Can I move the ship to the left or anything? Alright. Get nice and close. Now you've got to help each other. I'm also going to divide the room in half because everybody on my right, top and bottom, these three people have suddenly become your dream team. And they need some dream team support. So please, on my right, a big cheer for your team. It's team number 1. On my left, top and bottom, number 2. Now, I promise you, the team that wins is going to be the team that goes the quickest, but also the team that gets the most support. Take that spoon in your hand, darling. All you have to do is drop it inside that blouse. Pardon?
Win.
You what?
What will we win?
Win?
Win.
N-O-T-H-I-N-G. Nothing.
I ain't right.
You will win a photo of me and him in thongs. And other prizes. Dick, take that spoon. Right, help this lady out as much as you can. Ladies and gentlemen, don't sit on your hands here. It's going to be over before you know it. If you want your team to win, cheer them on in a much cassette. Yeah!